Alright, spectator, please stop anytime. It's really free, it's not forced, maybe it's really free. And now, wow, I have production for ace. It's really crazy. And now you take 3 cards. Card number 1, maybe 2 of clubs. It's really not bad. Maybe this is 6 of hearts. Maybe this 10 of diamonds, right? Remember this 3 cards. Now I shuffle these cards. Maybe shuffle like this. It's really free. It's really not bad. And now I take this 4 ace. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's really true. Look, this is ace of clubs. This is ace of diamonds. This is ace of spades and ace of hearts. Now snap my finger, and now 4 ace, search 3 cards. Of course, this is 10 of diamonds, 6 of hearts, and 2 of clubs. Well, so guys, today I will teach you a really nice trick. Yes, welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you really unbelievable nice card trick. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, like in this video right now. And now I show it my classic pass. This is 7 diamonds controlling bottom of the deck. Why not? And now I show it my maybe clip shift. Look, this is jack of diamonds, change jack of spades. And now you subscribe to my channel because I teach you really nice, easy to do card sandwich, because you search 3 random cards. It's really crazy, it's really easy, it's really unbelievable. Thank you for watching my video, and now tutorial this trick. Alright, first trick, you make a little setup. You take 4 ace and 4 ace put in her like this. 1 ace face up, 1 ace face down. Turn over this deck. 1 ace face up, 1 ace face down. It's really easy setup. Face up, face down, face down, face up. Alright. So, the next step, you make any full cut, you make any full shuffle. Maybe you make full cut like this. You make a swing cut, make a break, make swing cut, of course you save with your break, make swing cut, of course you save with your break. This pile, drop it like this, take little pile, drop it like this, take this pile, drop it like this, and this pile, drop it like this. Of course, you control it for ace. It's really easy. Look, make a swing cut, make a break, save with your break. This pile, drop it like this, take little pile, take your break, and this pile, drop it like this and squeeze. Alright. The next step is production for ace. Spectator, stop anytime. It's really free, it's really not forced, because the production for ace. Spectator, stop maybe here. The next step, you make a swing cut, take this pile like this, and now you production for ace. Production for ace like this. Your left hand production these 2 cards like this. Your right hand turn over this pile like this, and production 2 cards like this. It's really easy. Look. Stop anytime, make a swing cut, and production these cards like this. Alright? It's really easy. Stop anytime, and production for ace like this. Alright. And I repeat slow-mo. And now you make a shuffle these cards. Of course you control it. Stop anytime, make a swing cut, and production for ace like this, and drop this for ace like this. Alright. So, the next step, spectator, take 3 cards. It's really free, it's not forced. Maybe take these cards turn over, show this card. This is 4 of spades, turn over like this, and now you make a card control like this. Look, these cards 4 of spades, make move it like this, and this 4 spades, slide this pile and control it, this pile, bottom of the pile like this. Alright? Look, it's really easy card control. Take any cards. This is 4 of hearts, take this 4 hearts, put in here, and squeeze this 4 hearts like this and control this bottom of the pile. Alright? Look, I take 1 blue cards. Take any cards, maybe here, remember, and make move it like this. Alright? It's really easy move. Take these cards, remember, maybe your cards free of hearts, free of spades, I'm sorry, and control this bottom of the deck. Alright? Look, I take 3 cards. Yes, it's really crazy tutorial. Look, 3 cards. Take card number 1, turn over, show it, turn over, make a control like this. Alright? Card number 2, show it like this. And now you make move it like this and put in here this 3 of spades, these cards like this. And now you make a spread and show it this cards number 3. And now you make control like this and make a spread. Of course you control these 3 cards, your right hand bottom of the pile. Alright? Look, it's really easy, it's really cool. So, take card number 1. This is 9 spades. Remember, control. Show these cards like this, make move it like this, and make a spread. Control these 2 cards. Show these cards, make move it like this, and make a spread. Alright? And now these 3 cards, put in here like this and squeeze. 1, 2, 3. Yes, it's really crazy tutorial. Look, it's really nice deck. So, right, you take 3 cards. This is 7 of spades, control, remember. 4 clubs, control, and make a spread. 10 of spades, control, and make a spread. And these 3 cards, put in here like this. 3 cards, bottom of the deck. Alright. So, the next step, you transfer these 3 cards, top of the deck. You make a really shuffle. And now you use this your right hand little pile, and now you make a deal 1 by 1, 1 by 1, 1 by 1, alright? And now these 3 cards put in here. I repeat, it's really easy move. 1 by 1, 1 by 1, 1 by 1, alright? And now these 3 cards put in here. And now use this finger, count 3 cards, 1, 2, 3, make a break and save it or break, and take this 4 ace, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now you take your break 7 cards, 4 ace and 3 random cards. Take these 7 cards and this pile, drop it like this. And now use this 4 ace and 3 your cards. Alright. And next step, use this finger, count 1 cards. It's really easy, count 1 cards, make a break. And now you slide this ace of clubs and slide this 1 random cards. Alright, I repeat. Count 1 cards and slide these cards and ace of clubs. And next step, you drop it this 1 cards and slide ace of hearts. Drop it 1 card, slide ace of spades, and this ace of diamonds, turn over and put in here like this. And now production 3 cards. Alright, I repeat. Dun, 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 dun. Count 1 cards, slide 2 cards. Drop it this 1 card, slide ace of hearts. Drop it 1 card, slide ace of clubs. Turn over this ace and put in here like this. Turn over this 4 ace, snap your finger and show it 3 random cards, search for ace. Of course, this is 4 of clubs, 7 of spades, and of course 10 of spades. It's really crazy card tricks. Thanks for watching my video. See you later.